Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete follow requests on Instagram using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple and efficient process to manage your pending follow requests. First, let's start by opening Instagram on your PC. Head over to Instagram.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Instagram interface. Now let's focus on finding and managing those follow requests. On the left side menu, you'll notice a notifications icon. Click on this icon to view your notifications. Here, you might see various updates, but we're specifically interested in follow requests. However, Instagram doesn't directly display follow requests in the notifications section on the web version. Instead, you'll need to use a workaround to view and cancel them. For this, you can use the Download Your Information feature, which allows you to access a list of your pending follow requests. To do this, click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to Account and click on Download Your Information. Follow the prompts to request a download of your data, which will include a list of pending follow requests. Once you receive the download, extract the files and look for the Followers and Following section. Here, you'll find a list of pending follow requests. To cancel a request, open the profile of the person you've sent a request to by clicking on their name. This will open their profile in Instagram. Now, to actually cancel the follow request, you'll need to use the Instagram app on your mobile device, as the web version doesn't allow direct cancellation. Open the Instagram app, navigate to the profile of the person you want to cancel the request for, and tap on the Requested button. You'll see an option to cancel the request. That's it. You've successfully canceled your follow requests on Instagram. This process might seem a bit roundabout, but it's the most straightforward way to manage your follow requests using both the web and mobile versions of Instagram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.